calculate the arithmetic mean of 5.7, 6.6, 7.2, 9.3 and 6.2. That is question number 1. So when you see these types of problem, first count the number of observations. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that you have to add all the figures divided by the number of observations. You will get the mean. So 5.7 plus 6.6 plus 7.2 plus 9.3 plus 6.2 divided by 5. You will get 7, and 7 is the mean. Come to the next question. The weights in kg of 8 newborn babies are 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.5, 4, 3.6, 4.1 and 3.2. Find the mean weight of the babies. So again what we will do, we will just count the number of observations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of observations is 8. After that what we have to do, just add the figures and divide it, 8 by the number of observations. You will get the mean weight of babies, that is coming 3.5 kg. See the next question. The marks obtained by 15 students in a class test are the 12, 14, 7, 09, 23. So a lots of numbers are given over there. So 15 students. So here the number of observation, that is number of student, is 15. What we have to do, the mean of their marks. So for that first we have to add all the values and divide it by 15, as the here the number is 15, that is the number of students. Okay, so first we have to add all the figures and divide it by 15. Come to the next question. The mean of their marks when the marks of each student are increased by 4. So there are 15 students. So when the marks of each student increased by 4, so total increase of the mark will be 4 into 15, that comes to 60. Okay, so our original marks is the 207, that is addition of all marks. Again it will increase by 60 marks, so it will come to 267. Now the mean will be the sum of marks divided by the number of students. So 267 divided by 15, so 17.8 will be the answer, that is the mean marks. Come to the next part, the mean of their marks when 2 marks are deducted from the marks of each students. Okay, so 2 marks of 15 students, so 15 into 2, that comes to 30. So we have to deduct the 30 marks from 207. We will get 177. So mean is equal to sum of the marks divided by number of students. So 177 by 15. So that comes to 11.8. Okay. So 11.8 will be the answer. Come to the next question. If the mark of each student is doubled, so then the new marks will be 207 into 2, that comes to 414, and mean is equal to new sum of marks divided by the number of students. So 414 divided by 15, that comes to 27.6 will be the answer. Come to the next question. The mean of the numbers 6, y, 7, x, 14 is 8. Express y in terms of x. So the here the given observations 6, y, 7, x, 14. and number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mean is equal to, as we know, that the sum of observations divided by the number of observations. So mean is equal to 8, that is given over there in the question. So what I have to do? I have to add 6 plus y plus 7 plus x plus 14 divided by 5, as the number of observations is 5. After that, just 2 or 3 step calculation, you will get y is equal to 13 minus x. So y is equal to 13 minus x will be the answer. Come to the next question. The mean of 9 variates is 11 if 8 of them are 7, 12, 9, 14, 21, 3, 8 and 15. Find the ninth variate. So how to calculate? The given mean is there, that is the 11. So number of variates is the 9, that is the find the ninth variates. The we have to calculate the ninth variates, and mean of 9 variates total, the number is the also 9. So first we have to do the sum of variates, that then just we have to add. Take the 9 variates bx. After that, just add 7 plus 12 plus 9 plus 14 plus 21 plus 3 plus 8 plus 15 plus x. So sum of variates will be 89 plus x. After that, what is the formula of the mean? That is the sum of variates divided by the number of variates. So 11 is equal to 89 plus x divided by 9. Okay. Just 2 or 3 step calculation, you will get x is equal to 10. So ninth variate will be 10. The mean age of 33 students of a class is 13 years. If one girl leaves the class, the mean becomes 12 whole 15 by 16 years. What is the age of the girl? That is the question. So first, what we have to do, the given the mean age is 13, so number of students is 33. So first calculate the sum of ages, that is mean into number of students. So 33 into 13, that comes to 429. So after a girl leaves, the mean of the 32 students becomes the 12 whole 15 by 16, that comes to 207 by 16. So now multiply by 32 if you want to get the new sum of ages. So 32 into 207 by 16, that comes to 414. So the girl who left, the age will be the previous sum of age minus current sum of age, that is 429 minus 414, that comes to 15 years will be the answer. Come to the next question. In a class test, the mean of marks scored by a class of 40 students was calculated as 18.2. Later on, it was detected that marks of one student was wrongly copied as 21 instead of 29. Find the correct mean. So how to proceed? First write the mean of marks 18.2, number of students 40. So total marks will be 40 students. 40 into 18.2, that comes to 728. Now the difference of the marks copied, that will be 29 minus 21 is equal to 8. So total marks 728 plus 8, that comes to 736. So mean will be 736 divided by 40, that comes to 18.4 will be the answer.